Today I have the FA38. Let's put this thing together and see what it can do. FA38 is the newest color module from DIY recording equipment. It's a Trident style color module from DIYer's website. They give us some history about Trident consoles, sounding awesome, yada yada. And they say FA38 puts the most colorful parts of the console strip circuitry into this color module, which is really right in line with the overall idea of color itself, that the magic, so to speak, that we can't fully replicate with software is contained within the circuitry and components. So let's distill that down into these affordable little cards. Here we have the FA38 in the Mr. Focus module. Here's a little track that I whipped up recently. Super simple, drums, bass, guitar. Nice and quick little demo just to check out how this thing sounds. Let's solo up the drums. Okay. Some nice breakup there. And it's interesting, just like it says, it does really start to get a lot of crunch in the low end before the upper end is affected very much, which is nice because a lot of the other color modules do kind of the opposite thing. So, and I like it there. All right, let's solo up the bass. Oh, I didn't solo it. There we go. Getting some crunch right away. That low end really wants to get overwhelmed. Bass can go nuts. Actually, gonna pull it back. Super basic little part here, and then there's another part at the end that's a little more interesting. I don't think I hear anything. Some breakup. It's more usable on guitar. I could see that being a usable sound. All right, so yeah, super basic sound, just a quick DI. I tried re-recording it after recording it just to get the idea down, and simple part, liked that one better than anything I did, so just kept that. Here's the other guitar part. Oh, let me turn that off. I don't like the buzzing, but when it starts to break up right there, I like that. That's cool. Quick, dirty little demo. I really like what it's doing to drums and guitar. Definitely a certain life of fullness that it brings. I didn't love what it was doing to the bass, but kind of really quick, dirty demo. This particular song, these particular sounds, I'm sure will work out differently. That's part of the reason that I often will have some apprehension doing these kinds of demos. Got to apologize for the high pass filter going away. I did a bunch of work to do the demo. There is so many different like things to juggle, and once you start getting all these clips, the session screen, the unit itself, me, voice, there's probably a better way to do some of the things that I'm doing, but anyway, I digress. Hopefully it gives you somewhat of an idea. All in all, I dig it. Like I said, a little bit of a different flavor. I look forward to getting to know it more. I regret that I didn't pick up 2 of these, so I'm probably gonna have to get another one. Thanks for checking this out. Check out the link in my description to go to DIY recording equipment, and if you'd like to support me, and if you want more content like this, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Peace.